today we will cut some vegetables and cook them. Yay! So let's see what can we cook today. Here's my chopper board. And here's my knife. It's yellow and orange. So now we will cut some vegetables and cook them, and of course we eat them. So there's our fish in there. Have chili peppers, so let's put the chili pepper there because we will first cook the fish. So here's our fish. So we need to chop the fish with our chopper board. The fish is pink. There's not such a fish that's pink. All of them are gray. So now I'm gonna cut the fish into slices. Oopsie! It floated from the chopper board like jam. So we did the small piece and we won't use the big one. Here I put the small piece. Done. Let's turn off the heat. Now let's get our cheese and split it up. So first let's have a big small bite because we will then get a big bite. Yum! It's delicious. Now let's have a big bite. Yummy! So now we need to put the plate over there. So next we will cut this. The broccoli. Of course, cut it and cook it. So let's cut it with our beautiful knife. I was just gonna say beautiful knife. This broccoli is so soft and it looks like tree. Yeah, but it's not a tree. It's broccoli. Broccoli. Let's put one plate. Just for mistake. Okay, so which one? The green one because the broccoli is green. Beautiful. Now let's cook the broccoli. Done. Let's turn off the heat. Now let's get our broccoli to take some bites. Haha, I love broccoli. Yummy. Yummy, that was really delicious. Next we will cut the what was the name? Oh yes, tomato. Cut it into slices. Okay, let's put one piece and cook this one. This time I will use the red plate. Oopsie. Red plate because the tomato is red and the plate is red. Oh, it's next. Look, I cannot see the tomatoes. So now, let's turn on the heat. Oopsie. And turn on the heat. And cook it. Now let's get this. Yum. Which am I gonna eat? Oops, I forgot. I'm gonna put it in this plate and eat it. So now, let's have a bite. Yum! I love it. So delicious. Next, what we are gonna cook is the seafood. It's the yummiest seafood. Before time we cut off seafood, that was the fish. And this time we are gonna cut a seafood too. It's really plastic, it cannot be cut. Let's put it in the green plate. So now we need to cook it. Yummy! Now turn off the heat. Let's have it. Yummy! Oopsie. Let's put the plate there again and put this fork over there and the knife here. So we are done with this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.